guys, welcome to my channel DiySpy. So today's video is an inspired DIY from Urban Outfitters where I'm going to remake their jewelry holder. As you all know that Urban Outfitters is very expensive and not everyone can afford it, but for surely everyone can DIY it. So I hope you guys will like the video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, take a white tea plate and draw a half moon with an erasable marker. Then apply golden outliner used for glass paints on the half moon which you have drawn before. After that, you can look at the original picture from the Urban Outfitters and get inspiration from their design, and then make your own design and add your own twist in it. And if you make any mistakes, remove them with your nail polish remover. Then your own Urban Outfitter jewelry holder will be ready, which is very cheap to make and has your own twist in it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Until then, see you next time. Bye.